traders. Anthony here. Going to quickly recap last week. Guys, it was a very difficult week last week. If you do a search for Cyclone Alfred slash Gold Coast, Gold Coast flooding, you'll see what I mean. Where I live was impacted by a Category 2 cyclone at the beginning of last week, and it caused havoc and mayhem. People had to evacuate. I had to evacuate my area, and I jumped into my camper van, left town, just got right away from the main area that was going to be impacted by the cyclone, and really just spent the week avoiding flood zones, driving around in the camper van looking for spots where I could connect to internet with my phone, continue working. So yeah, very disruptive experience to say the least, guys. It was really stressful. Didn't have any sun, and of course it was bucketing down with rain. My camper van power depleted, so there wasn't any sun to recharge the solar. So I had to find shopping centres to charge my computer, and I mean, yeah, long story. Now, long story short, I managed to return to the Gold Coast where I generally live on Saturday. Today's Monday. And I got back just in time because where I previously was camping, roads got flooded and they were closed. So I got back just in time. However, there's over 200,000 homes without power or some crazy thing like that. A lot of people don't have water. I can't go back to where I usually am located. And I'm having to work from a really busy shopping centre. Fortunately, they've got power here, and the whole city is working from the shopping centre at the moment. There's people plugged in everywhere. Yeah, it's bucketing down with rain, guys. There's floodwaters everywhere and all around. So I'm actually having to camp in my camper van at the shopping centre until the floods subside. It's a crazy time. So fortunately, there is power here. So I'm plugged in. It's busy. Well, I've got a noise cancellation thing. Hopefully, I can edit out the background noise. And so that's an update. I'll do my best this week. I mean, given that I've got a comfy spot here, and shops and food and bathroom and all the goodies around me, I should be okay. But yeah, I mean, everyone's displaced at the moment where I live. So last week, getting back to it, here's the thing. There weren't a lot of signals. I'll just show you that. I was really stressed out last week, guys. I was driving around the countryside trying to find spots to park and what have you in the camper van. But look, it was a better than break-even week. Coming out slightly ahead, I'm more than happy at this point in time. Hopefully this week we'll be able to get ahead. I mean, I do have a comfy spot here where I can hang out. So here's the thing. Somebody asked me, how many signals do I post a week, a day, or whatever? And look, if you're wanting lots and lots of signals, I'll show you where they are. Let's just go over here. Here they are, guys. Look, sell, 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 sell. Lots of bearish. There's a buy. So here's the signals. If you want signals, there are more signals here than you'll be able to handle. Sell, you can see, go back, buy signals, they're everywhere, right? So yeah, somebody asked me, how many signals do you post? And it's disappointing, or it saddens me a little bit that people are focused on lots and lots of signals. What I'm attempting to do, or what I'm focused on here with my VIP channel, is helping people become independent, profitable traders. And I provide signals enough to keep everyone happy. There'll be generally something every day. There's not lots and lots. It's not about the signals so much. It's about the mentorship. I upload daily mentorship videos. So there are fewer signals, maybe up to 3 a day, perhaps, on a good day. But the main thing is I'm covering the the trade idea signals that I post in VIP with mentorship videos. Now, I started trading in 2002. I went full time in 2016. So I've got a few years of experience that I'm able to share with you guys through the mentorship videos. And I think that's, for me, that's where the value is. So if you join VIP, take advantage of that. In any case, last week it was very difficult to manage trades in and out of areas where there was internet and dodging floods and what have you. Since January, we started with a variation of the strategy that I generally trade. We've got 2 winning months. January, February, we're profitable. Out of 8 weeks, 8 weeks, we've had one losing week. After 7 weeks have been in profit, 7 out of 8. Trading is not easy, guys. It's managing the trades that's the challenge. I mean, for as long as I've been trading, I'm always evolving every week, and I think you'll find possibly the same. If you're consistent and you keep trading, it grows on you. You know what I mean? You gain a deeper understanding as time goes by, and I mean it's an incredible journey. So while the cyclone's over and it's only flooding at the moment, and I've got power and internet, let's have a great week this week. And if you haven't already, jump on board, guys, to join. Let's go to the website and see Join VIP over here. The value that I'm offering is unmatched anywhere. You gain access to the signals that I'm posting, but more than that, the mentorship videos every day, trading course. That's the mentorship videos pretty much, and you gain access to the TradingView indicators. So here's my invite for you to join. And I have reduced this. This was actually not that long ago, $79.95 a month, then 49. I've dropped it down to $29.95 a month. There's nothing like this anywhere. You won't find anything that comes anywhere near what I'm offering, guys. So click this link and that will take you to my what landing page here. You can scroll down and have a look at everything. Click get access, and over here on the left is where you access everything. Click these links here, connect to your Telegram. TradingView indicators, there's 2 Telegram channels. One's crypto and the other one's Forex. It includes, Forex indices, gold, silver, commodities. All right, so go to the left, go back to the what page where you join, and you access everything from here. Scroll down. Yeah, then scroll down and have a look. Discounted, get access. Now, if you already joined on the $49.95 a month, cancel it at the end of that month and come over here and join again at $29.95. If you're on the silver plan and you don't have access to the indicators, cancel it at the end of your month, come over here and get access to the discount and the indicators if you want them. Okay, guys, so with that, hope you have a fabulous day. And let's have a great week this week. Okay? With that, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.